Hey everybody, it's Sean with Price and Price Realtors with this week's market report. Um, there seems to be a general feel in the air of buyer fatigue. We were just in a team meeting and we were discussing with all the other agents in our office that they are seeing the same thing. We're seeing it with our buyer pool, that a lot of buyers are just kind of taking a break right now. They're tired of the multiple offer situations. And basically paying so much above ask for properties. So there is a general idea in investing that when everybody is selling, that's when you buy. When everybody is buying, that's when you sell. So in this market right now, with the buyers being fatigued, this is giving the buyers that need to buy an opportunity right now to get in there without as much competition. And when we look at the graphs today, you're going to see that. You're going to see that there is an opportunity to get in there to get properties and maybe not face as much competition as you would have a few weeks ago. So let's go ahead and go to the graphs here. You can see that from the last 7 days, buyer activity increased a little bit by about 10%. Inventory increased by about double of that, about 22%. So you can see over the last several weeks that buyer activity has just been slowly decreasing. And that's what we're talking about with regards to the buyer fatigue. Now, the fact that the buyer activity increased a little bit here, we actually saw that in one of the open houses that we held. We held an open house and there were over 30 people that came through. So there are buyers starting to re-enter the market, but there is a little bit of an opportunity. And that opportunity is created by the fact that the seller activity increased by double of what the buyer activity did. So if you look over at the general vibe of the market here with the buyers versus inventory, you'll see that we're actually at a neutral market this week. We actually went down to about 98%, which is the first time that we've gone below 100 since right over here, and then before that it was way back here. So this is where the buyer fatigue started to set in, and we're still kind of in it. But if this trend continues and activity continues to increase, then this window could be closing. So basically what we're recommending to our buyers is that this is a great time to get out there. Even though you may be exhausted, this is the time to get out there and really try to get a property, because you can do so without facing 10, 20, 30 offers at a time. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know, and we will see you on next week's video.